Good morning. Waking up at Chimuluvati, and we just discovered um, this big fish in the river, bream. Gosh, Visminek, I'll show you now. You can see them. Yeah, you can see them. You see, huge fish in this water. Apparently, you can fish here.
Down there, see?
There's just so many. Well, the other thing that we read last night that's quite funny, this is considered a child safe campsite because the what you call it, the river edge is not too steep or not too high. They can fall down and you can still go and retrieve them, and there's less likely chances of crocodiles in this river. So it's a child friendly campsite.
Start by getting access.
So Renier is fixing electricity again. He got access to the inside of this what is it, tray, and it just give you an idea how this works as well. There is a slide drawer with a kitchen and the big ice box, ice cooler, fridge, freezer on it. Then there is the top that's static, and there is a place for 4 ammo boxes, our chairs, buckets, stuff like that. And in that corner is is the Joy.
Right, those are the 2 batteries that's sitting very tightly with no space to work, and the control panel. And they all need to come out, sit on the tray, and then we have fun. Hopefully find the loose wire from the MPPT. Wish me luck.
Oops. And of course I am of great help in this case, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut, and but I'll pass the screwdriver. I don't think it's fun working in there. Just want to show you the tray. So yes, so that's the water containers. How many liters of water can we take, René? Do you know? 60 liters of water, and we've got a little hose here, hose system, and okay, with a tap, and we can when we open it, the water runs out. But when we want to fill it up, we've got a connection, and you open it, and the water gets pushed in as well. So far we haven't had a shortage of water, and yeah, easy. And then Renier and his brother designed that. It is just a piece of PVC pipe, Renier.
Yep.
So that the ammo boxes can slide in and not scratch the lip of his tray. So there's my precious onions, and that's what's happening there. Okay, Renier, you want to take it like that?
There it is. There's our problem. It's the positive coming from the PV cell that's gone loose. These Victrons has got the most ridiculous, silly connections that you can ever think of. Great. We know where it is. Now we need to fix it.
I discovered this really interesting tree just at the back here. It's called a toad tree, or if you're Afrikaans op, translation is literally paddaboom, because the fruit has got a really rough surface like a toad. Apparently it's got really beautiful sweet smelling flowers, and the fruit gets born in clusters of 2, and then it arrives. Some parts of the tree is apparently toxic, whereas it opens up and yellow or orange edible seeds. Renier didn't want to try. I really want him to just tell me what it tastes like. But he doesn't want to. It grows quickly, but they use it as, apparently, if it's not on the wild, as a container plant. It's a pretty tree.